Okay, I'm not good at making videos, but I'm going to give this a shot. On the WEN, and probably others that have these type of holders, I took this off, this pinned blade holder. I took that off. And you take the new holder from WEN or wherever you can get it from and bolt it where the pinned blade holder went. This one accepts both pinned and pinless blades. And then I took one of these and made a knob for it. And the way you put the blades on is you just push the blade up into the slot here. You have to hold that down and then tighten the knob. Get good and tight. And then tension it in the back. And you're ready to go.